Hello, this is Daniel Bastaya with another CaliVita instruction video, and in this video we're going to show you how to access the new web applications, that's Explorer, Profiler, and Circles, from your mobile phone. Now this particular video will not show you how to use those applications, that's different videos. This is just going to show you how to access them. And you can see I have a mobile phone here, so it's just a question of opening your browser and going to the CaliVita home page and tap on the menu being up here, and on the CaliVita home page you'll see on the left side, I'm pointing here, there's two icons, Profiler and Explorer, and if you tap on any one of those, I'm just going to tap on Explorer, and you come to the login page. So we'll just log in here. You log in with your member code, and then you will find yourself in the CaliVita Explorer HUB. And the HUB is just the central location from which you can access the modules, the web application modules, Network Explorer, Network Profiler, Circles Turnover, Circles Membership. And then also you can see at the bottom there's a search function. So you can just put in any name, even a partial name or a city, whatever, and it'll just show you all the data below that for any particular name that you input. Now when that search function comes up, you can scroll down and you'll see that every name that shows up as a result of your search will have three icons there where you can access that particular member's profiler, circles, or network explorer. So in other words, once you search someone, the search results, you can go direct from the search results to that particular member's profiler or whatever you want to see. So this is the Explorer Hub. Now it's very useful if you want to put an icon that on your home screen of your phone that can take you directly to CaliVita Explorer Hub. In other words, you can put an icon on there that bypasses the CaliVita home page and takes you directly to this page. And how you do that, in this case this is an Apple phone, you just click on the bottom, this icon down here, and then you get this, and that's just a question of scrolling, and you can see here it says add to home screen where the cursor is showing. So I touch upon add to home screen, and then you enter whatever name you want to give it. In this case I'll call it CaliVita Hub. Oops, let's make that Hub. And then you just touch on the add button up here. And then you can see now on the phone's home screen, you can see there's an icon right there called CaliVita Hub. And if I press on that, then it goes direct to the hub instead of through the CaliVita homepage. So very, very useful to. If you're using an Android phone, I think adding it to the home screen is a different. There's three small icons up in the top corner, but yeah, you'll be able to see the icon that says add it to the home page and use it. So it's just slightly different from the Apple phone, but anyway. So now you can see all the icons for accessing, and I'll just show you one example here. Now with Network Explorer and Circles, they're schematic diagrams that fill up the whole screen. It's a little bit easier on a laptop or a desktop because of course you have a bigger screen. You can still access it easily on your mobile phone. You'll just find that of course that it's a lot of information to fit on a small screen, so it's just a question of you have to expand it or contract it with your fingers to see any portion of that. Or the other thing you can do is if you hold your phone in a landscape orientation, then you might be able to see more of it. But it's still quite usable on the smaller screen. It's just not quite as good. But anyway, so what we're going to do here, just give you an example, we're going to look at Profiler. And we'll just wait for this to come up. There it is. Sometimes if you have a slow internet connection, it takes a few minutes, but you just have to have a bit of patience. And we're just waiting for this to come up here. You can see the data loading. And there you go. There is the profiler. Now you may recall in the profile instruction video that any of these headings giving you information about this particular member can be collapsed or expanded. So you can see here, it's just a question of tapping on the headline bar. For example, network composition charts, I tap on it, and then it shows the thing. If I want to hide this, then I just tap on it again and it hides it. So this is especially useful on the mobile phone, of course, because you have limited screen space. So you can just tap on it, hide it. It's very easy. It's very easy to expand or contract all the information. And you can see here performance charts for this particular member. It's, once again, it can't show the complete thing on the screen, but then it's just very simple to just scroll with your finger across to see the whole chart. Or, as I mentioned, you can always shrink this or expand it with your fingers. So I'll show you a few other examples here. So anything, it works exactly the same as the applications do on your laptop or desktop. It's just it's on a smaller screen, that's all. Let's look at, for example, members by region, and we'll try Poland. We're going to click on Poland here, and you can see now the map of Poland has come up, and it's divided according to postal codes. And you can see it's quite a big map for the screen, but then once again it's just a question of using your finger to scroll to whatever part of the screen you want to see, and then also you can expand it with your fingers, expand it or contract it. So once again, it works exactly the same as it does on any other screen. Just looking at some other accounts here. Product portfolio. This is another visual display. So you can see here the product portfolio. And you can see for this particular network, C1000 is definitely the top product. And if it's a network that's doing a lot of products, once again, it might be a lot of data for the little screen, but then, you can very easily just scroll in, scroll out to focus on any portion of the diagram that you wish. So extremely versatile, and it allows you to access any and all information about your network or any individual member within that network, wherever you are. If you have a mobile phone, you can access this information. It's right at your fingertips, so it's an extremely useful application.